Okay, welcome to the first ever aircraft that I'm building for this channel. This appears to be a Blackhawk Army helicopter with some guys there. One looks like he's distressed and falling out of the helicopter, which is kind of funny. I don't think I've actually ever built a Lego helicopter. I built one of my own creations, but I've never built a set of a Lego helicopter, so this should be interesting. This set is by the, Huizu Yingle Network brand, apparently. Has a larger number of pieces than the previous builds I've done on this channel, so that should be fun. It's about 690 or so pieces. So let's open it up and see what we have in here. Okay, let's have a look at the instruction manual here. So let's see, there are 69 steps. All right, should be fun. Starts off with some listing of the bags and then some other parts and kind of tells you what you're gonna do here. So let's get started. Huizu Yingle Network Blackhawk Helicopter building set, all constructed. And I gotta say, this is a really cool model. $22.50 for something like this is pretty unbelievable, honestly. It even has some crazy details like the blades tilt, the whole main rotor assembly tilts. It spins really well. The tail rotor doesn't spin that great, but the rear aileron goes up and down, a rear flap, whatever that is. It's got some pretty cool details in the cockpit. You can't really see them that well right now, but you can see the Gatling guns on each side, the really nicely detailed landing gear that looks like it has suspension. It's got the rear landing gear. It has these exhaust ports on the back, and these side doors come off pretty easily here. And there's a couple of guys in there. This one in particular cracks me up. Look at that guy's face. This is the one they show on the box of him falling out of the helicopter down to the ground. So yeah, this is a really cool model. I think I'm gonna hang this from the ceiling or something because it'll look really cool in my office. Anyway, yeah, really great model, well worth the money. I was pretty surprised at the detail and how cool this one was. So yeah, good review on this one. Thanks so much for watching.